Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 11 from the exercise 10.2 of the chapter straight lines, and this is a first PU syllabus. If you go to playlists and look for straight lines, you will be able to find all the sums and derivations related to this chapter. Let us check question number 11 now. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of the line. We get a line segment when we join these 2 points, and to this line segment there is a perpendicular line. This perpendicular line divides the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio 1:n, and we have to find that equation which is perpendicular to this line segment. Clear? I have called these 2 points as A and B, and after joining them I have got this line segment AB. As per the question, there is a perpendicular line which divides line segment in the ratio 1:n. So this is the line, and there is a point of intersection here. I am calling this line as line CD. Okay, this line CD is dividing line segment AB in the ratio 1:n. So this is 1 and this is n. Okay, I am calling the coordinates of this point of intersection as P, Q. Now we have to find the equation of the line CD. Correct? If you still have any doubt, please check the question again. We have to find the equation of the line CD. Definitely it can't be of line segment AB because there are 2 points given. We can easily find the slope, and you can use point slope form of an equation to find the equation. Why all these data was required for that? Correct? So it is not this line segment of which we are going to find the equation. It is the equation of line CD is what we are going to find now. We need to know at least one point on the line and slope to find the equation of the line. How do we find a point on the line and slope? It is very clear that these 2 lines are perpendicular lines. We can easily find the slope of line segment AB and use the condition for perpendicularity of 2 lines. If 2 lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes should be equal to -1. We will use that condition and we can find the slope of line CD. Correct? So now we have understood, we can find the slope. Now we need a point on the line. If we find the coordinates of P, Q, are we done? Yes, we are done if we find the coordinates of this P, Q, because this point lies on line segment AB and also on line CD, because this is the point of intersection, or this point divides line segment AB in the ratio 1:n, or this line divides it. That means P, Q lies on it. We have to find the coordinates of P, Q. We know a data, right? Line CD divides AB in the ratio 1:n. So can we apply section formula and find the coordinates of P and Q? Yes, we can very well do that. You have already learned section formula. What is that? We know that coordinates of a point dividing the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 internally in the ratio m and n are. That is, if there is a point which is dividing the line segment in the ratio m:n internally, in the ratio m:n, if we call this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2, then that point which divides, what will that be? It will be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. This will be the x coordinate, and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This will be the y coordinate. Look at the denominator, it is nothing but the ratio m:n. So the denominator will be sum of those 2 terms, m plus n, in both the cases for x and y coordinates. Now what will be the numerator? For x coordinate, it will be x1, y1 that will be considered. For y coordinate, it will be y1, y2. So if we take this as m:n and this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2, then mx2, this with the other coordinate, m into x2 plus n into x1. That is what it is. And for the y coordinate, the numerator is again like this, m into y2 plus n into y1. So shall we do that now? Yes. Coordinates of P, Q are 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus n into 1 whole divided by 1 plus n, comma. Then y coordinate will be 1 into 3 plus n into 0 whole divided by 1 plus n. So P, Q will be 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, comma 3 by 1 plus n. Since the ratio is given in terms of n, our coordinates will have that n term. We cannot eliminate that. There will be an n term in the coordinates of this point. Okay, we have found the point on the line. Now we shall find the slope of the line. To find the slope of the line CD, first we have to find the slope of line segment AB. We shall do that. I am calling this slope as m, that is slope of AB as m. Then it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 1, which will be 3, right? So slope of this line segment AB is 3. Now we can easily find the slope of the perpendicular line. We know it, right? What is that? It should be minus 1 by 3. By now you should be able to tell without even writing. Okay, but we will write it now. We are writing the condition. Two lines are perpendicular, that implies product of their slopes is minus 1. Then slope of line CD is m1. I am calling slope of line CD as m1. That should be equal to minus 1 by slope of line segment AB, which is m in this case. So m, that is slope of line segment AB is 3, right? That we are substituting here. So it is minus 1 by 3, which is the slope of line CD. Now we have found the slope of line CD. We have found a point on the line. We have also found the slope of the line CD. So when we know a point on the line as x1 y1 and slope of that particular line, we can easily find the equation of the line using the standard form, that is point slope form of a line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So m1 is equal to minus 1 by 3, and this point x1 y1 will be this 2 plus n by 1 plus n comma 3 by 1 plus n. Let us substitute that in the standard form. Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is 3 by 1 plus n is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. X minus 2 plus n by 1 plus n. Now let us take LCM, LHS and RHS, which will be y into 1 plus n minus 3 whole divided by 1 plus n, and that is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x into 1 plus n minus 2 plus n. Here you have to consider brackets, and here the negative sign is for both the terms, whole divided by 1 plus n. We have 1 plus n in both LHS and RHS, which gets cancelled. It will be y into 1 plus n minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 3 into x plus xn minus 2 minus n. Here we can cross multiply 3. All other terms as it is, just 3 is being cross multiplied in this step. I am carrying this step to the next slide also, so that it is easy for us to simplify. So 3 into y into 1 plus n minus 3 equal to minus 1 into x plus xn minus 2 minus n. All this simplification I am sure you can do. Just open the brackets, group the terms and take out x and y common, which will give us 3 into 1 plus n into y minus 9 equal to minus x into 1 plus n plus 2 plus n. So we will take this constant and x term to LHS and rearrange. When we are rearranging, it is first x term, then y term, and then constants. That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That standard form is what we are expressing in. So x into 1 plus n plus 3 into 1 plus ny minus 11 minus n is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line which we had to find. So this will have n term in the equation because the ratio is given in the form of n. The ratio is given as 1:n. So that n will remain in the equation also. This is a very easy to solve sum. Only thing is you have to analyze what is it that we have to find, what is the data given, and why are they giving that particular data. When it is given that a line segment is divided by another line segment in a particular ratio, you should immediately recollect, okay, then it is section formula, I can find the point. Then when they say two lines are perpendicular, yes, two lines are perpendicular, I can use the concept of slope. Product of slopes is minus 1. That concept I can use and get some information so that I can find the equation. In that lines you have to think. So we found a point on the line using section formula, and we found the slope of line AB and used the perpendicularity condition to find the slope of CD, and we found the equation. If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section. I'll try to help you out.